Hi, thanks for tuning in to Driveway Dudes.
Our friends at K&N Filters Europe sent us this air filter for Ross's BMW 320d Efficient Dynamics.
So let's open it up and we'll install it.
So let's unbox our new air filter. And here we are. Here's our new K&N air filter. There it is. And has lots of very important and interesting facts and figures on the back of it. It's designed to improve horsepower and acceleration.
To open the bonnet, check out our previous video. I'll leave the link in the description below. Okay, so this is your air filter housing. It's quite easy to remove. You need a 6mm socket or flathead screwdriver. Just be careful here. This is your mass airflow sensor, so make sure you don't touch any of the internals on this, okay? So the rest is just clips, and there's one here, and then we'll remove this cable. Somehow, if it wants to come off. Okay, so this is also hooked around, so you'll need the flathead screwdriver just to release this, and then it's hooked in here as well, and we can remove from here. This is your cover. Here's the old air filter. Removal of the air filter couldn't be easier. Basically just lift it out. And this is after about a year of driving.
As you'll see, side by side is the original panel filter that Ross just removed and the new replacement K&N High-Flow filter. So K&N filters are designed to improve horsepower and acceleration. The original cotton high-flow air filter invented by K&N reduces air filter restriction, allowing an engine to breathe easier than traditional paper air filters. Using a K&N air filter can actually increase horsepower and acceleration in many vehicles. This performance advantage is why millions of consumers and professional racers choose K&N over restrictive disposable air filters. For example, on the research that K&N have done, the average disposable aftermarket air filter, such as the one on the left, breathes in 319 cubic feet meters of airflow, and a K&N filter is 441 CFM or cubic feet meters on average.
Okay, so I've cleaned out the air filter housing, just gave it a vacuum and gave it a wipe down with microfiber cloth, and I'm going to now fit this filter. Looks like it's already impregnated with oil, which I think is important for K&N filters.
So K&N filters represent an ecological alternative to disposable air filters. You should clean them every 50,000 miles for highway use, more often in dusty conditions or lowest restriction. For detailed filter cleaning instructions, visit knfilters.com/cleaning. K&N filters are tough on dirt. Thousands of microscopic cotton threads absorb our specific...
Okay. Yeah. Looks sexy though, doesn't it? Like, it looks good. It suits the car, the purple and the black.
K&N filters offer a 1,000,000-mile limited warranty, or at least specific to this air filter. That also carries a 10-year warranty on this filter. So don't dispose of them. Wash them when available and when possible. Use 61 milliliters in metric or 2.05 fluid ounces K&N oil when servicing filter. Oil available from K&N filters.
K&N.co.uk, yeah?
K&N.com.
K&N.com.
Or wherever is specific to your marketplace.
Right, this is fit. It was really easy to fit it, as you saw yourself. Limited tools. If you have a screwdriver, you can change your air filter on a BMW 320d LCI. we're going to take it for a test drive as well. We're going to see if there's an increase in performance. I believe that there is going to be an increase in performance. There's going to be much greater airflow going through. I recommend to anybody who wants to change out the air filter and they don't want to buy a new crappy air filter every year. Not, I shouldn't call it crappy. They're pretty good, right? But if you want to get a K&N air filter, they're worth the money for performance and improvement alone. So make sure you check out the website. We'll leave a link in the description below. Thanks very much, K&N. And make sure you hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, give us a thumbs up to support the channel. Thanks very much, have a great day. And
Find us on the usual social media platforms.
thank you. Anything to add, William? No? Thanks very much.